There is a moment in all our lives when we know something has to change. We feel it deep in our bones. For a kind and skilled nurse named Mia, that moment came on a Tuesday afternoon. The hum of the hospital felt too loud. The long hours felt too heavy. She loved her work. She loved caring for people. But her own spirit was growing tired. She dreamed of a place where she could still give her best, but also feel seen. A job that fit not just her skills, but her life. A place where she could breathe. That is a feeling so many of us know. The search for a role that honors all of who we are. It can feel like you are just a number, a resume sent into the quiet dark. But then, a friend told her about a recruiter named Sam at Forbes Staffing. Her friend said, "Sam doesn't just find you a job. Sam listens to your story." Mia took a deep breath. She decided to make the call and hoped for a spark of light. After their first talk, Step 1, start with a warm hello. Step 2, listen first. He did not interrupt. He did not rush. He held space for Mia to share her hopes and her fears. He heard about her love for geriatric care and her need to be home with her son in the evenings. Listening is a superpower. It tells someone, you matter. Step 3, ask about goals.
Mia, if you could design your perfect role, what would it look like?
It wasn't about a job title. It was about a feeling, calm, supportive, joyful. Step 4, check skills and care. Sam noted her certifications and gentle, patient-centered approach. He wasn't making a list. He was painting a picture of a whole person. Step 5, match culture, not just the job. A job is more than duties, it's community. He considered places known for teamwork and balance, a home, not just a workplace. Step 6, be honest and clear, no surprises, no trying to force a square peg into a round hole. Step 7, use smart tools. Forbes Staffing's tech found matches fast, but tools were just the start. The real magic was the human touch. The art of connection isn't giving everything, it's giving the right things. Step 9, offer choices. He brought 3 wonderful opportunities, not 10, not 20, just 3. Each vetted, supportive culture, family-honoring schedule, room to grow. For the first time in a long time, she felt hope. Not just jobs, possibilities, doors to a new chapter. She chose a smaller clinic known for close-knit teams and long-term relationships. It felt right. It felt like her. Step 10, prepare for interviews. He didn't just send time and place. He sat with her on a video call. They talked through questions and practiced until she felt like herself, confident, calm, ready. He told her, "Mia, you have everything they need. Let your beautiful heart shine." She walked in at peace. Because she was prepared, she wasn't nervous. She was just Mia. The manager saw it, the skill, the warmth, the perfect fit. By the next day, the offer came. A great schedule, a wonderful team, a place to grow. Mia called Sam, her voice bright with joy. Getting the job offer is a beautiful moment, a victory. But the care should not stop there. A true connection is about the whole journey. Sam helped her navigate paperwork and acceptance, and planned the step many forget. After the yes, new faces, new routines, excitement with natural nerves. Then her phone buzzed. "Hi, Mia. Just thinking of you. Hope your first week is going wonderfully." That small act meant everything. Step 11, follow up after placement. It smooths bumps and makes a perfect match real. It shows the clinic Forbes Staffing is a true partner, invested in success. It builds a circle of trust that benefits everyone. The employee feels supported. The employer feels confident. The recruiter becomes a trusted advisor. Follow-up turns a transaction into a relationship. When we feel secure and valued at work, we bring a better self home. That is a win for everyone. Forbes Staffing focuses on permanent direct hire placements because lasting matches lift people, teams, and care. The final step is not a step. It is a way of being. Step 12. Build long-term care. Weeks turned into months. Mia thrived. She wasn't just an employee, she was family. The clinic said, "Mia is a gift." She brought light to the team. A good match blesses a whole community and improves care for every patient. Sam kept in touch. Holiday greetings, family check-ins, support for the clinic. This is what it means to build for the long term. It's being a resource, a friend, a partner in growth. Finding the right job, like the right person, is an act of the heart, beyond algorithms and keywords. It requires listening. It requires empathy. These 12 steps aren't a secret. They're a guide to being more human. Behind every resume is a person with a story. Behind every job is a team needing connection. Today, another Mia feels tired. Another Sam is ready to listen. The world of work becomes kinder, one connection at a time, when we lead with care. For permanent, direct hire matches that last, visit ForbesStaffing.com. Forbes Staffing, connecting talent to the right job with heart.